Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be how to remove a stuck bolt using extractor bits. So, in doing this restore and taking everything apart, I've come across a common problem restoring vintage outboards, and that's a stuck bolt. This pinion gear set up with the throttle pinion gear and the shaft pinion gear, this screw, slotted head screw, has got to come out so you can pull the shaft out and get these gears out. And I've tried everything, trying to loosen it with a screwdriver. I've tried a impact tool with my ball peen hammer, and that won't work. So my next resort is trying to take it out with a extractor. So I use the Irwin Hansen 35-piece master screw extractor bit set when I do my extractions. And here's the kit. I find it's pretty nice. It has all the size of the bits and what the preference is for the bolt or screw you're using. And then here's the left-handed bits that actually you put in the drill and turn in reverse to try to get them out. And it's got the screw extractor bits right here. And it's got the multi-spline screw extractors right here. So I've done them all before, tried them all. I think the first thing I'm going to try is this multi-spline. So I'm going to start with the smallest one, and it says to use the 1/8 inch bit to drill your pilot hole, and then put this on a socket, put it in, and the teeth grab on it and it loosens it up and pulls it out. So that's what I'm going to try. First of all, we're going to drill the screw. If everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take me a punch, a pointed punch, and I'm going to go right in the center of that bolt, and I'm going to make me a pilot hole to start my 1/8 inch drill going. Alright, got that done. Now let's do the drilling. Alright, I got my 1/8 inch drill bit in my DeWalt. I'm going to try to drill the pilot hole for the extractor. Alright, I got my hole drilled, and I got a 1/2 inch ratchet. I'll slip my extractor bit into it, set it for reverse, counterclockwise, and I'm going to go in there and see if it'll pull it out. Lo and behold, pulled it out. Got the head out. There's still some pieces in there I'll have to drill out. All right, I got the bit removed, and the gear comes out, and the gear shaft, and the other pinion gear all came out. Right? So that's how you use an extractor set. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.